We just parked this Torque 373. We're gonna do the auto leveling first. Literally push 2 buttons and then it goes to work. So beautiful in here. I love those lights. There's your patio. All right, we're gonna go around. This is the Torque 373. We're just gonna do a walk around of the outside first, and then I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So first, right here, you've got your generator. It's an Onan 5500. That'll run all of your AC units and everything else, and then the battery compartment. It's auto start, which is nice. You start it from the inside by pressing a button. You got your auto leveling unit right there, or console that we just looked at. And then there's your, there's your propane tank, and then right here you've got pass-through storage all the way. And there is another control unit for your auto leveling right there, if you need it. And right here you've got your external shower. If you get super dirty or muddy, if there's a hose that connects in there and you hose yourself off before you go back inside. You've got all of your controls, all of your different plugs, depending on if you're in an RV park. You've got cable plugs, you've got everything right there. And then I like the double slide again, just so you know what it looks like from the outside. It adds a ton of space to your bedroom, and you'll see that again when we go back inside. And we've got your fuel station here, so you can fill that up. And then we've got your back patio, and you'll see it from the inside once we go inside, but this is what it looks like when it's set up. You've got LED lights up top, so at night it adds an awesome ambient feeling to it. They're really cool. And you have 2 entrances. This is just for the garage only, and then this is for your living space. Here, you've got a magnet holding that up. You've got a TV and a little kitchen. Got a grill right there. And you've got a little mini fridge. Keep your drinks cold, or I don't know, whatever you want to keep cold. This is the other side of your pass-through storage. So you can access it from either side. Fishing poles, anything that's long, just a ton of boxes, whatever you want to put in there, you can. And then this is your other propane tank. So let's go inside. All right, so this is your main living space. It's gorgeous in here. You've got LED lights all over the top. Again, it adds a really nice feeling to the room. You've got couches, both of them are recliners. You've got plenty of storage space up above. And then turn around and look at these seats right here. These are awesome. They stay out of the way when you want them out of the way. And then, we might have to, there we go. And then when you want them as seats, you just set them up and use them as seats. They're kind of nice. And then they fold up and out of the way when you're not using them. Let's do that one. So the kitchen here is gorgeous. You've got a double sink. Tons of storage space up here. You've got a commercial size microwave, a stove, even an oven down here. More storage space all along there. And then you've got your main TV right here. So everyone in this living area can see that TV. As you're cooking, as you're hanging out, taking a break. There's also a CD player right here. You can play music through all the speakers inside and out. And you have got a double fridge and freezer here. It will run off of propane or electricity. Look at how much you can fit in there though. It's massive. You can go on long trips with this toy hauler. I love it. And then again, more storage space above, more storage space beneath, and then you've got your recliner couches right there. So let's go into the bedroom. So with the double slide out bedroom, the first thing I notice is how much room there is. You've got a walk around bed, you've got plenty of storage in here. I don't know if you can poke your head in there with the camera, but tons and tons of storage. Hang your clothes, hang your coats. And if you feel like it, there's a washer and dryer hookup right in there. So if you feel the need to have the washer and dryer, if you're going to stay out that long, they'll all fit. And then this is, again, more space. You can put a TV there if you want. You can just use it to hold your stuff. All bedroom storage, dresser drawers. And then you have your own private entrance to the bathroom. And the bathroom kind of speaks for itself. It's gorgeous. And then you can also enter the bathroom from here, from the main living area. All right, let's go into the patio area, the garage and the patio. So the first thing is you've got this door to keep all the fumes from your toys in here. Keep them in here, keep them out of the living space. And then you have a bathroom right here. Now this does fold up. This wall right here will fold up if you need this space. But you've got a bathroom and a toilet, so a half bath right there. And then if you want to, there's a TV hookup in here, so you can mount a TV on there. And then if you look up above, from back where I'm standing, there's a loft. And it's got the same really soft bedding on there that comes with all of our bunks these days. And then you've got your control panel right under here. This is how you lower, this can be a bed, it can be two couches, they can fold flat against the wall. You can use this as a bed, and then you can use that as a bed as well. So effectively you have one big giant bed, two big giant beds, they both lower down, and these turn into couches as well. I'm going to push it back up for now. And then we've got the back patio. You can set up out here. Bring a little table with you, eat dinner out here, hang out and watch your family or friends play with their toys that you brought with you in this toy hauler. Alright, so we love stowing these toy haulers. They create a lot of fun memories for you and your friends and family. If you like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Come down and see us. My name is Chris. Come and see us at 2015 North Main. We're Castle Country RV, where we can make your dreams come true.